Sanibonani. Ngiyengizwe kuthiwa the truth shall set you free. Lalela mntomnyama. Sekuyisikhathi sokuthi ulazi iqiniso. This is the Stellenbosch Mafia. Naba abantu abaphethe iSouth Africa. And ma ukuthi unasi isikhathi, let me show you ukuthi why ngithi labantu yibo abaphethe iSouth Africa. We have uJohan Rupert. Umnotho wakhe ubalelwa ku-190 billion rands. Izinto ayicontrolayo zibalelwa go Mediclinic, zibalelwa go RCL Foods. Ucontroller through i-company yakhe iRemgro. He also owns another company ekuthiwa eRichmond econtroller wonke ama-luxury brands ala eSouth Africa. We have uChristo Wesa, inkosi yezi-retail. He owns iShoprite. He owns iPepco. Uye osuku uyomnika imali kupheleni kwenyanga mawuyethenga ukudla. And if one day it decide ukuthi no, ngiyayivala itolo zami, iSouth Africa ingafalla apart. We have uMitchell Leroux, i-founder yeCapitec. Uyena umuntu ophethe imali zenu. Uyena umuntu enimkweleta imali mawukuthi uhambile wayothatha iloan ebank. This guy controls i-banking industry for over 16 million South Africans. We have uJenny Mountain, i-founder ye-PSG Group, i-founder yesikole iKaru School, isikole esakhiwela ukuthi kufunde izingane zeGwili, izingane zabantu abarich. Laba ama-puppets. Ayikho into ekuthiwa i-president la eSouth Africa asinayo, sinama-puppets acontrolwa iStellenbosch Mafia. iStellenbosch Mafia ishaya umthetho kulelizwe lase-Republic of South Africa. iStellenbosch Mafia i-owner u-80% of i-agriculture yala eSouth Africa. Mawulima uhambe uyovuna yonke leyo nto, yonke i-profits eyabo understand i-banking system. iSouth Africa ikweleta iStellenbosch Mafia imali. Imagine i-country ikwelete abantu imali. And the interest engimele sikhokhe it is u-40%. Hambanye ukuglisha lento. Why ngayazi lento lena? Why ngayazi lento lena? iStellenbosch Mafia idonate imali engango 2 billion every 10 years to politics. So they have abantu on inside labo. Over 80% of commercial farming is controlled by isingisi. Lalela. La eSouth Africa siyatshala, sivune, ithathwe leyo nto iyogaywa mesiyahamba iyotradewa nabantu bakwamanye amazwe phesheya. And then bayasikhokhela leyo mali leyo ke ayiyi la eSouth Africa, ayithuthukisi iSouth Africa, iya kwiStellenbosch Mafia ngoba amakhampani abawa-ownayo a-owner yonke i-agriculture. Khona umuntu ozongibuza ukuthi uphi Malema, uphi Ramaphosa, wathini uThabo Mbeki kwenzeka lento. Khona umuntu ozongibuza ukuthi uMandela wayivuma kanjani lento. Lalela, ama-Stellenbosch Mafia, they donate u-2 billion towards i-politics. Labantu bayabakhokhela. Wakontrol imali yomuntu, ucontrol umuntu himself. Wakontrol imali yesizwe, you control isizwe itself. Cabanga-ke if you control imali ye-country iyonkana kuzokwenzekalani. If wena udecide ukuthi no, yazini ngifuna mina imarket enyakazi, ngifuna mina iSouth Africa istand still, uvela uvala indaba yokuthi khona imali ezokuphume kuma-ATM. Sikuyenzeka leyo nto once before yapanic iSouth Africa. Now just imagine the power eholdwa iStellenbosch Mafia. Ngiyazi it sounds impossible ukuthi abantu abawu-4 can control izwe. But bona they control ukudla, they control imali, they control politics. Yinenye. Ngeke ukwazi ukwenza i-state capture because abawona ama-politicians. Ngeke ukwazi ukuyovula icala e-police station ngoba ba-rich, umuntu o-rich akaboshwa. At the end of the day, inkinga yaqala emumva wena uNelson Mandela ebavumela ukuthi ba-stepe into i-background, ba-control izwe. After that, ayisekho enye into engenziwa.